Backing up files. It's good practice to save your work. You can use a few methods to do this, but you can also turn on the file history feature, which saves libraries, your desktop settings, contacts, and favorites to a hard disk. You can also burn files to a disk by using the File Explorer shortcut. Okay, so it is always a good idea to have a backup. So back up your files. In this case, we're gonna be using a USB external hard drive. Um, Normally, when you guys do your backup, it's recommended that you guys use an external hard drive. Okay, make sure that it has enough size, it's big enough to hold out all your documents. In this case, remember this is barely a new system, so I'm having see I don't have that much information. Okay, so in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using a USB flash drive, okay, to do the backup and to show you guys how to turn on, okay, the file history backup on Windows 8. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the USB drive. To check that the USB drive is being recognized, I'm gonna go to computer and see this is the USB drive. Okay, now that I have that installed, I'm gonna use my shortcuts, okay, the Windows logo and X, like an X-ray, and it's gonna open, okay, it's gonna open this different options, okay, programs and features, mobility center, power options, then viewer, etc, etc. Now basically right here, what we are looking for is for the control panel. I click on control panel, okay, under system and security, see we have the save backup copies of your files with file history. Okay, I'm gonna click on that, and there you go. See, Windows has already recognized my USB flash drive. Okay, now this option is normal is gonna be turned off. Okay, and this is file history. Okay, now don't get me wrong. This is a file history. This is a feature that we could use on Windows 8. If you guys have an external hard drive that is big enough, I mean, you guys could just connect it the same way and turn on this feature. Okay, now just by doing that, see, right away, see, the files from my libraries, desktop, contacts, and favorites are being copied into my external USB flash drive. Okay, now I'm just gonna check on that. I'm gonna right click into my file explorer. I'm gonna go to computer. This is my USB drive, and see, even that already that I have some other files. See here, Windows automatically created the file history folder. When I open that, see, I have a subfolder Alfredo, another subfolder Alfredo Acer, okay, and it's saving the configuration and the data on my computer. You know, double click configuration, okay, so those are the files for my configuration, and then the data. See, it's saving the data from the C drive, users, Alfredo. So right now it's saving my contacts, favorites, and videos. Okay, and it's just, you know, as once we connect, okay, once we connect the USB flash drive, see, the same USB flash drive, see, Windows automatically is gonna be doing, okay, it's gonna back up my files. Okay, I'm using a USB flash drive in this case. For you guys at home, I recommend you guys to use an external hard drive and make sure that it is big enough. Okay, another way to save your files, remember that this is using that feature on Windows 8 to save your files. Okay, now another way, okay, this is my drive. Okay, And let's say that I open another File Explorer. I'm gonna snap this window to the left hand side. And from here I could also do this manually. See, just right click and drag into my external hard drive or USB flash drive. Okay, so either method will work. Okay, remember here. Okay, and we're still okay transferring the files. Okay, so I could any given time I could go ahead and stop that. Okay, so it's not transferring anymore. See, because that's a small drive. Okay, and if you transfer my videos, this is gonna film this up. Okay, and for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that feature on. Okay, and that is backing up your files on Windows 8 with the file history. Thank you guys.